Do you want to lose your weight naturally and with little efforts? We will provide you guide that will help you to lose weight fast by following our tips. The keto diet provides many health benefits. This diet can not only help you quickly lose weight, but can also improve your overall health and help prevent disease. You may have heard of the high-protein, low-carbohydrate Atkins diet. The keto diet keeps carbohydrate levels low. But instead of ramping up the amount of protein in your diet, the keto diet increases the amount of fat. Eating a high-fat diet can still mean eating healthy. Keto diet menu items often include seafood, meat, dairy products, eggs, vegetables, and nuts. With the increased popularity of the keto diet, keto recipes are widely available. Get amazing results like this. Now it's your turn to get fit with keto. Try our free course. Check in description.